Today we're going to be talking about measures of center and mode. Okay, mean is a measure of center, median is a measure of center, and mode is how often a number occurs. Okay, so mean is the average, okay, and median is the middle number. Okay, mode is the number that occurs most often. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of these. All right, the number of miles run by each cross-country member was 35, 35, 35, 36, 36, and 39 miles. The mean number of miles run, find the mean number of miles. So we're finding the average, okay? In order to find the average, we're going to add up all of our numbers and then divide by how many data points we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total data points. So we are going to do 35 plus 35 plus 35 plus 35, nope, plus 36 plus 36 plus 39. Okay, that gives me 216 out, and there were 6 total. So divided by 6. So my average is 36 miles run. Okay, so the average miles run, or the mean number of miles run, is 36. Now, the mode, or the number of miles most often ran, was 35, because 35 happened 3 times, 36 only happened twice, and 39 only happened once. So the number that happened most often was 35 is that mode. Okay, next one. The number of fish in a tank at a pet store was 12, 17, 11, 14, 14, and 16 fish. Find the mean number of fish in each tank. So again, mean is average, so we're going to add them all up. Okay, so 12 plus 17 plus 11 plus 14 plus 14 plus 16 is 84. Okay, and we checked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different tanks. So we will divide that number by 6. And the average number was 14 fish in a tank. Okay, now the mode is also 14 because 14 happened the most often. It happened twice, and no other number occurred more than once. Okay. So you can try these next two on your own here. Okay, now let's take a look at number 5. The number of snacks in 5 packages was 122, 134, 150, 145, and 133. Suppose the mean for 6 packages was 144. So they told us 5 packages, but they're saying, well, what if the mean was 144? How many snacks would be in that 6th package? Okay, so what we would need to do is we would need to take this 122 plus 134. We're going to add all those up, and that's going to give you 684. And then we're going to add one more number to it that we don't know what it is yet. Okay, and we know that that's going to eventually be divided by 6. Okay, so okay, and then that total is going to give us 144 as our mean. Okay, so we add them all up, divide by 6 because it's asking about 6 packages, and they tell us the mean will be 144. Now we're going to solve this like it's an equation. I'm going to multiply by 6 on both sides, so 144 times 6, and that's going to give me, so 684 plus x, all right, because this becomes 1, equals 864. So now I need to figure out, okay, 684 plus what number equals 864? So I'm going to subtract. And I'm going to get x equals 180. Okay, so how many snacks would be in the 6th package? 180 snacks would be in that 6th package. Now I can double check my work and do 180 plus 122 plus 134 plus 150 plus 145 plus 133, and then divide by 6, and I should get 144 as my answer. Okay? All right, so I know there's quite a few steps in this one, so let's do one more like this together. The total number of centimeters a plant grew each week for the past 5 weeks was this. Suppose the mean for 6 weeks was 9. Okay, so again, we're going to add them all up. So we have 13. So I have 45 plus some number divided by 6, again, because it says 6 weeks, equals 9. All right, follow my same process here, times by 6 on both sides, and I get 54. So 45 plus x equals 54. Can probably do that one quick in your head, but x equals 9. Okay, so the plant grew 9 centimeters the 6th week. Okay, on the 6th week, the plant grew 9 centimeters. Okay, can try numbers 7 and 8 on your own there. Okay, now these next ones we're going to be looking at are asking about median, again, that middle number. Okay, the most important thing when you're finding median is list the numbers in order, okay, from least to greatest. All right, so in order to do that, I'm going to do, so 12 looks like my smallest, and I've got 2 of them, so I'm going to start with 12, 12. And then 13, 14, I think 17's maybe my next number there. Then 19. No 20, I've got a 21, 24, 25. I got a 27, 29. I mark them off as I go, so I make sure I don't miss one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and keep writing all the way across. It'll get into this other area here, but in 60. Okay, so I've listed them all now. To double check here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 14. I should have 21 numbers, so I'm going to recount them, make sure I have them all listed. 21. All right, I do have them all listed. Now, to find the middle number, okay, there are 21 numbers, so I'm going to go 10 in this direction, okay, and then I'm going to go 10 in this direction. 1, 2, actually, no, I'm not. 1, I'm going to count from each side. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, and this guy is my one left in the middle. Now I should go back and double check this. I should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I should also have 10 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 33 is the median. Okay, now if we take a look at the mode here, I don't have any numbers that occurred 3 times, but I have 12 that occurred twice, and I have 35 that occurred twice, and I have 40 that occurred twice. That means I have 3 modes. Okay, the modes are 12, 35, and 40. Those are all my numbers that occurred more than once, and all 3 of them occurred twice. Okay, so there can be multiple modes. Okay, now if you had a median and there were 2 numbers in the middle, we would then find the number that's between them. So for instance, if 33 and 35 were both in the middle here, 34 would actually be my median, even though there's not actually a data point that is 34. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're finding median. All right, let's look at one more of these together. Okay, number 11 here. The table showed the number of toys donated to a school drive each day. Find the median number of toys. Okay, so I have, again, 1. I'm going to list these out the same way. 3, then 4, and I got another 4, then 5, then 2. Oh, wait, I got a 6 first, then 2 8s, then a 9 and a 10, and then an 11 and a 14, 15, and 19. Okay, so for this one here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I have 14 numbers here, so we're good to go there. Now I'm finding the median, which is again the middle number. So I count in from each side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, and then both of these 8s are in the middle, so 8 is the median. Okay, and 8 also happen 8 and 4 are my modes because again, no number occurred 3 times, but both of those occurred twice. Okay, now again, if 8 and 9 were my median, then 8.5 would be my median. Okay, that's not the case here, but if that were to be the case, that's how you would find the median. Okay, you can try numbers 10 and 12 on your own there.